Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new topic. So the name of the topic is modern superheroes. I think so. This superheroes you might have watched a lot in the movies, in the TV series, in the novels, in the play, television series, and all. And you might be knowing more than me. So superheroes, what are they? They are a fictional characters. So what is a fictional character? It is a person or animal in a narrative work of art, such as in a novel, in a play, in a television series or movie. So the character can be completely fictional or based on a real life person. So it is like that the real life person, he will be having a supernatural power. So it is an imagination. So he is a real character. So using these powers, he can protect the public, he can fight against the crime. So in the modern superhero series and all, you can see they battle against the super villains. So some superheroes forms teams like the Avengers. You might have seen the Avengers movie to fight evil. So today we are going to learn some name of the superheroes. So let's see the first one, that is about Iron Man. So Iron Man, it is a superhero who wears a suit of armor. His alter ego is Tony Stark. He was created by Marvel Comics and appears in their comic books and movies. And he is in 4 of the movies in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, including Iron Man 2 and Avengers, the Avengers and Iron Man 3. So in the movies and the earlier comic books, Tony Stark is just a human. Outside the suit, he does not have any superpowers. He made the suit himself and nobody else can usually control it. So Iron Man can fly and shoot beams from his hands using special technology called repulsors in his boots and gloves. He is not hurt by most weapons like guns and cannons. There are many versions of the Iron Man suit because Stark keeps making improvements. Now let's see second one, that is Superman. So he is strong enough to lift almost anything and he can fly. Superman can run and move faster than a bullet. He has X-ray vision, he can see through walls, and heat vision, that he can shoot heat from his eyes. He can freeze things with his frost breath and his super breath, which allows him to blow super hard. So Superman, it is a famous comic book character. He is possibly the first modern superhero character. He was created by Jerry Siegel and Joy Shuster in 1932 while they were still in high school. Now we'll see the next one, that is Captain America. So Captain America is a fictional superhero from the Marvel Comics and the deuteragonist in Marvel Universe. He made his first appearance in the comic book Captain America Comics 1 in 1941. He wears a suit that has a white star on his chest with 2 strips still white on each side next to the star. His suit is blue. He also has a bullseye and a star on front of it. And Captain America has superhuman strength, superhuman stamina, and can live without eating, sleeping and resting. Captain America wears a costume that bears an American flag motif and is armed with a nearly indestructible shield, and he throws at foes. Now we'll see the next superhero, that is the Hulk. It is a popular superhero in Marvel Comics. He was created by Stan Lee and Jack Kirby. There has been lots and lots of stuff made about this character, including a television show and a few movies. So the Hulk is the alter ego of Bruce Banner, a mild-mannered scientist. One day when Bruce was working, he was exposed to gamma radiation, and when he gets mad, he turns into the Hulk. So the Hulk is big and large. When he turns into the Hulk, all his clothes except his purple shorts rip off, and the Hulk has really strong strength, is almost invincible. So in the comic book appearance, the character is both the Hulk, a green-skinned, hulking and muscular humanoid possessing a vast degree of physical strength, and the Hulk's strength is normally conveyed as similar to his level of anger. So the next superhero, that is Thor. Thor Odinson is a fictional character portrayed by Chris Hemsworth in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. film franchise based on the Marvel Comics character of the same name. So in the films, Thor is one of the most powerful and is an alien civilization with long ties to Earth who are therefore considered on Earth to be gods. So Thor was born to the king of the Asgardian gods Odin Borson and the earth goddess Gaia. He grew up in Asgard under Odin's and trained in his footsteps to one day lead Asgard. Besides Odin, his stepmother Frigga and his adopted brother Loki are the only family he knew. Now we'll see the next one, that is Chhota Bheem. So Chhota Bheem is an Indian animated comedy adventure television series. So Bheem, who plays the central role in the story, is an adventurous and fun-loving boy who is gifted with extraordinary superhuman strength. This power is a boon for his village Dholkapur, which is constantly beset by all kinds of men. Almost all the people from Dholkapur look up to Bheem for a solution to their problems. Bheem is kind and always uses his strength to help those who are poor, wronged or needy, and may be considered a little guardian of the villagers and animals. And Bheem is often seen defeating enemies who attack Dholkapur or harm the village, like the evil demon Kirmada, the robber Mangal Singh and the evil witch. Now we'll see the next superhero, that is Spider-Man. So Spider-Man, it is a fictional superhero created by Stan Lee and Steve Ditko. So Peter Parker, who goes by his incognito name Spider-Man, is an orphan whose parents Richard and Mary Parker died in a plane crash. So Peter was raised by his Aunt May and Uncle Ben in New York City. So his character mainly struggles with dealing with adolescence and finances. So the costume of Spider-Man is skin-tight spandex-like suit which is red and blue and has a web pattern and a spider icon on the chest. He also wears red gloves, red boots and mask covered by web pattern as well. So Spider-Man is easily one of the most popular superheroes of Marvel and superheroes in general. Now we'll see the next one, that is Black Widow. So it is a fictional superhero appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics, created by editor and plotter Stan Lee and scripter Don Rico. So this character Black Widow has appeared in numerous forms of media such as animated television series, video games and films. So Black Widow has been enhanced by biotechnology that makes her body resistant to aging and disease and heals above the human rate, as well as psychological conditioning that suppresses her memory of true events. So the white blood cells in her body are efficient enough to fight. Her agility is greater than that of an Olympic gold medalist. So she can coordinate her body with balance, flexibility, and she has a gifted intellect. And the character in Black Widow is a world-class athlete, gymnast, acrobat, aerialist capable of numerous complex and feats. Now we'll see about the next superhero, that is Wolverine. He is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics, mostly associated with the X-Men. He is a mutant who possesses animal keen sense, enhanced physical capabilities, a powerful regenerative ability known as healing factor, and 3 rectangle claws in each hand. So Wolverine's primarily mutant power is an accelerated healing process that is referred as mutant healing factor, where regenerates damaged or destroyed tissues of his body far beyond that of normal humans. Wolverine's sense of sight, his smell and hearing are all superhumanly accurate. Now we'll see the next one, that is Falcon is a fictional superhero appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. So the character was introduced by writer-editor Stan Lee and the artist. In his earliest appearances, Wilson, he has a close bond with his bird Redwing, which is confirmed as being a telepathic link. The Red Skull later reveals that he has used Cosmic Cube to create a supernormal mental link between Sam Wilson and Redwing. So he is skilled hand-to-hand combatant, having been trained in judo and karate by Steve Rogers. He is highly skilled in the use of Captain America's shield. He can also communicate with the birds. Now we'll see about the next superhero, that is Batman. Batman is a fictional character created by Bob Kane and Bill Finger for DC Comics and the main protagonist in the DC universe. He is one of the most famous and popular superheroes. Batman first appeared in comic books and was later used in several radio series, movies, TV programs, books and video games. So Batman uses many different tools to help fight crime. So Batman does not have any superhuman powers but relies on high-tech gear, martial arts and high intelligence. His special gear for fighting crime is often stored in his utility belt. So item Batman can quickly retrieve from his utility belt include a grapple gun for climbing, night vision goggles, bar darts and perhaps Batman's greatest power become from his assortment of super vehicles. Now we'll see the last one, that is Ant-Man. It is a superhero. He was first made by Hank Pym, a genius who had made many scientific advances. He was the person who brought Ant-Man to Marvel, but the creator was still Stan Lee and his companions. So his power comes from his suit and tools of high-tech tool. Hank Pym studies about subatomic particles which he called the Pym particles. These particles are inside unknown gas which where his power comes from. So when he is going turn into different size, the unknown gas that Pym study from the microparticles makes his body shrink. Even though he is a small size, he still has human strength. As an ant, he has the ability to carry a heavy weight. Like an ant, he can carry up to 50,000 pounds. So his weapon is a very powerful stun beam. It shoots a beam creating explosion. Okay children, I think so you have understood names of the modern superheroes. Okay, now see the exercise part. In the exercise part, name the superheroes using the picture clues. So this you can do as your homework. So see the next part. So in the fun time part, you have to identify the superheroes from their special powers. So see the first one. He can communicate with birds. So who is that? Superhero is Falcon. So you can write Falcon, Falcon. See the second one. He can cling to any surface and jump from building to building. So he is a Spider-Man. So right there, second one, Spider-Man. Third one, he can shrink himself to the size of an ant. So he is a Ant-Man. So right there, third one, Ant-Man. He has keen senses and can heal his own wounds quickly. So who is he? He is Wolverine. So you can write there Wolverine. Fifth one, he has superior detective skills and can do many forms of martial arts. So that is Batman. She is one of the greatest spies and can adopt many disguises. That is Black Widow. So I think so children you have understood. So learn the spellings of the modern superheroes. So that's it for today. Thank you.